Okay, guys, so let's do this exercise today. It's similar to what we did yesterday. Here also we have to fill in haben oder sein. So there is a conversation going between two, three friends, and they are discussing something what happened like a previous day. So let's read the sentences one by one and then tell me the answers. Let's discuss the answers as per the correct conjugation, whether you would be using haben or sein. The main verb along with the third form of the verb is already given, so it's a pretty good exercise to have like a good list of the third form of many regularly used verbs. Let's start. Just a second, my system is hanging a lot. Okay, so Rachel, Rajbeer and Angie, same pattern we'll follow, one sentence each. Rachel, bitte lesen Sie das vor. Please read that.
Guten Tag, Hans. Mm, Ich gestern Abend noch ins Kino. It's
Gegangen. Gegangen is our verb. Gehen, third form gegangen. So there is a movement, right? There is a change in location. So what should be the correct answer here? Haben oder sein?
Haben.
Sein.
Sein, I mean.
So it will be sein, conjugated as per ear. Now you guys will tell me the answer in a conjugated manner. Haben and sein. Okay, you will figure out and then tell me the direct answer as per the conjugation. Next sentence.
Ja, wir einen älteren Film mit Charlie Chaplin im Rialto gesehen. Und was du gestern Abend gemacht?
What should be the correct answer for first and second blank? Did you understood the sentence?
Elton mean Elten.
Alton, not Elton. Alton, old movie. Also wir dash ein alten movie mit Charlie Chaplin im Rialto gesehen. So they are saying that they have seen an old movie of Charlie Chaplin. Und du, was dash du gestern Abend gemacht? And you, what did you do yesterday evening?
Okay. Haben.
Okay, and the next?
Hast gemacht. First one is haben.
Yes. Sorry, I was on mute. Yes. First one is haben and the second one is hast. Was hast du gestern Abend gemacht? Angie, your turn.
Okay. Ach, ich bin zu Hause geblieben. Ich habe gearbeitet und dann bin ich früh ins Bett gegangen.
Sehr schön. Das ist bin. Dann bin ich. Ich. This one. What should be the answer? You didn't the answer
Bin.
here.
Bin.
There. So Linda is saying ach. Ach is like a expression kind of thing. Like okay. Or oh. Something like this. Oh. Ich bin zu Hause geblieben. I stayed at home. Ich habe gearbeitet. I worked. Und dann bin ich früh ins Bett gegangen. And then I went to the bed early. Okay. Now again, Rachel, your turn.
Schade. Wir trinken nach dem Getto.
Guys, please keep yourself on mute if you're not talking.
Wir getrunken haben.
Right. Read the whole sentence, then it will be easier to figure out the answer. Wir haben.
Wir haben nach dem Film noch ein Bier getrunken.
Ein.
Eingeschafft.
Okay. Ich
Ich,
bin.
ich habe
Ich bin eingeschlafen.
nach 2 Uhr eingeschlafen.
Eingeschlafen. Warum bin? Because we have not schlafen but einschlafen, to go to sleep or to fall asleep. I went to sleep. So wir haben nach dem Film noch ein Bier getrunken. So Hans is saying that's sad. Like after the film we had a beer und ich bin erst nach 2 Uhr eingeschlafen and then I slept after 2. Dann next.
Then the spazieret.
Read this sentence also. No, it's just like no blank here, but just read it. It's part of the conversation.
Wagon is shown kaput. That is for broken.
Yes. Carl said, my new car is already broken.
Okay, we then the spazieret. We giant. It's never come WIE in conjugation like bin, beast, ist, sein, seid.
So here, what they are referring to, Ucha is saying, how did that happen? So that. So for that, you will using is, right? How did it happen or how did that happen? And
Me next.
yes.
Okay. Ich bin gegen einen Baum gefahren. Die Polizei ist gekommen. Und dann bin ich eine Strafe bekommen. Dann habe ich einen Mechaniker angerufen. Und er hat das Auto repariert.
There shown. So now Carl is explaining how his new car broke. So here he is saying, ich bin gegen einen Baum gefahren. So he drove against to a tree. So he got crashed with the tree. Die Polizei ist gekommen. The police came. Und dann habe ich eine Strafe bekommen. Bekommen is to receive. Bekommen's third form is bekommen. Then I got a citation. Dann habe ich einen Mechaniker angerufen. Then I called a mechanic und hat das Auto repariert. Reparieren is the verb and repariert third form. And then he repaired the car. Okay. Next. Rachel, your turn.
I saw. Ich habe gestern mit Gabi gesprochen. Sie Sind sie ist letzte Woche aus Hamburg zurückgekommen.
So here Zabina is saying, I have yesterday spoke to Gabi. Now she's saying, I have yesterday spoke to Gabi. So this Z obviously will be for G, not plural. So that's why sie ist letzte Woche aus Hamburg zurückgekommen. And she came back last week from Hamburg. Okay, next.
As soon ist sie dort ein gut Zeit gehabt. Ist
Hat sie dort gute Zeit gehabt. So here haben we are using as the helping verb and the main verb. So here I was asking, nice. Did she had a great time there? So to have something. For that also we'll be using haben. So hat sie dort eine gute Zeit gehabt. So did she had a nice time there?
gehabt mean
Third form of haben is gehabt. That's what I'm saying now. So here as a main verb and helping verb both we are using haben. Main verb is haben already, but here also we are using haben. Conjugated as per sie, she. Klar?
klar.
Okay. Now last sentence.
Okay. Ja, aber es hat jeden Tag geregnet. Gabi is name?
Yes, Gabi is the name of female.
Okay. Gabi ist viele Tage im Museum und im Kino verbracht.
Okay, so here it will be haben. Will conjugate as Gabi. I'll explain. You read the whole sentence.
Sie. What is she?
She.
She is. No. Yes. Sie ist nur an einem Tag durch die Stadt gelaufen.
Correct. So here they are saying, ja, aber es hat jeden Tag geregnet. Now Zabina is saying, yes, she had a great time, but it was raining every day. Regen is the main verb. That means to rain, and then geregnet, third form. Dann, Gabi hat viele Tage im Museum und im Kino verbracht. So here they are saying that Gabi has spent a lot of time in museum and in theater. Sie ist nur an einem Tag durch die Stadt gelaufen. And then she ran through the city, or she visited the city only for one day. So here gelaufen has been used in the sense of like running through the city or roaming around through the city. Was this exercise doable, or any challenges in terms of finding the correct answers for the blanks or understanding the whole concept or meaning of this conversation? Any difficulty, any challenges, any confusion you had regarding this? Tell me, we will discuss.
After knowing meaning of word, it is not typical.
Which words?
If any word is typical, then in that case only it is typical. Otherwise,
Okay. Yes. So as soon as like you will start reading more now, it's you'll see like a lot of new words, and then it will be easier.
oh yes.
Because each time you cannot have the same words, right? The more you will learn, the more you read, the more you will learn, and then you will see more new words. Okay, now in this particular sheet, apart from the list, I have shown you I have placed the link here. Also bit of tendency here, the list of your verben. Please find here the list of verbs. The list which I showed you, this is from the list, this link. You can go through this link also. And I have added few typically used words here also. Some of them you can find in this conversation, some are here, and some more you can see here. So these are like very commonly used verbs. Then we will be doing one more exercise, or maybe I'll just give you a few minutes on your own to do that. You can just write down the answers and then we'll discuss. And then I have this one exercise further. This will be your homework. So here this female is writing a letter to her sister and she is explaining what happened with her in the past few days. I've already mentioned the blanks for third form. It's just you have to fill in haben or sein. So this will be your homework. Okay, now talking about this particular exercise. You want to do it on your own as of now, or you want to discuss it like one by one, like the way we discussed this one? The answers are already given. Let me remove that. You guys want to read it like again one by one? Tell me guys how you want to do this. Yes, Angie, tell me.
Yeah, we will do no problem. Exercise, no?
Verbally one by one. Okay, we'll do this also and then we'll proceed to learn more exercises from the book. Let me clear the answers. So this is not a conversation, these are just random sentences. There are 15 sentences. Then each one of you will read one by one. So again, Rachel, Rajbir, Angie and Saurabh. One by one. Okay, Rachel, let's start with you. Again, we have to fill in haben oder sein. Rachel, you're on mute.
I'm sorry. Mutti hat mich gesehen.
So mother did not see me.
See me.
Next.
Gestern wir nicht zum Unterricht gegangen. So we sind.
Sind. Pronunciation is sind, Rajbir, not sein.
Okay, sind.
Now these sentences are pretty simple. You'll have to tell me the meaning also.
Okay.
Rajbir,
Yes.
what would be the meaning for this?
Yesterday we Unterricht.
Class.
We didn't attend the class.
Yes, we didn't go to the class. Basically, not attend, but to go. Gehen, na? So gegangen. So we did not go to the class. Next, Angie.
Wir haben unsere Freunde im Café getroffen.
Sehr schön.
So we met
Right.
in cafe getroffen. In cafe.
Yes, we met our friend.
Friends.
Unsere
Okay.
Freunde im Café getroffen. So we met our friends in cafe. Next, Saurabh.
So number 4. Yeah, just going through it. Wir, Ua, Aven, das Konzert begonnen.
Hat. Concert would be it, na? So hat. Vi hat das Konzert begonnen. Beginnen is the main one and begonnen third form. Tell me the meaning, please.
At what time did the concert begin?
Right. Next. Nummer few. Facial.
Audience is of North Africa. Africa gereist.
Right. Gereist. Traveled. Reisen. Travel and gereist. Traveled.
He traveled to agent traveled to Africa.
Sorry.
James traveled to Africa.
I didn't understand what you're saying, Rachel. There is a lot of disturbance. Can you please repeat?
James traveled to Africa.
Tragist do Africa. What are you like? Are you asking something or telling something?
No, I'm telling the meaning. The English.
Okay. Sorry.
English one.
Okay, I was not able to understand. There's a lot of disturbance coming in. So yes, Jens traveled to Africa. Next,
Please
Has.
sign.
Rajvi.
I sorry.
Please do thine book and list. Did ask to. Have you find the book finally?
Right. Finden, gefunden. Next, Anji, now your turn.
Ihr habt über 2 Stunden gewartet. Like you waited 2 hours.
Yes, for like about 2 hours. You all. So ihr habt. There shown. Next, Saurabh.
Ich hab wir June Party mitgekommen.
Ich habe. Not habe. Ich habe Wein zur Party mitgenommen. Meaning,
So we bring. I bought. I bought wine to the party.
yes, like I bought along basically.
Yeah. Can you come once again? What was that?
Sorry.
So I told I bought wine to the party. Is it
I
correct?
brought along. Like nehmen is to bring, but mitnehmen is to bring along.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, next.
One bis du
There shown one this two.
again of give up. When did you woke up?
When did you woke up today morning? Next, Rajveer.
Okay. Maria hat ihre Tante in Musen besucht. Maria has to meet her aunt.
Not has to. Maria had met. Maria has met. So there is a difference between I have met or I had to meet. Had to is like Musen, but I have met, so had.
Like, but its consequence to visit. Maria had to visit her aunt.
It's not had to visit. Maria had visit her aunt in München. So there is a, that's what I'm saying. There is a difference between I have done something or I had to do something. This is a necessity. So here I will be using müssen. Ich muss. But here I have done something. Ich habe etwas gemacht. So there's a difference between have and have to. So when there is have to, there is a necessity for which we use müssen. Okay, next.
Okay. Meine Eltern. I'm not sure about this one. Haben or Habe? 10 Jahre. Okay. Okay. 10 Jahre. 10 Jahre in England gewohnt.
Right. Meine Großeltern, my grandparents, so plural, so haben.
Okay. Okay. So my grandparents live in England for 10 years.
Right. Next.
Wir haben me, mein uncle in Berlin geblieben. So
That will be sind because the word is bleiben. And with bleiben we use sein as our verb. So wir sind by meinem Onkel in Berlin geblieben. Meaning
so we have been staying with uncle in Berlin.
we stayed. We have stayed with my uncle. Next.
Please do.
Hast du.
As do.
How-
As
how-
do. No. Sie von David Bowie gekauft. Julia Jones.
Meaning
Meaning, did you buy the new CD from
David Bowie, yes. From David Bowie or like of David Bowie. Next.
Der Lehrer hat for their Klasse gestanden. Hat HCT.
Meaning
The teacher gave for their Klasse gestanden. Gestanden mean yeah. Is here
Standen
taking
basically to stand. Gestanden stood. So the teacher stood in front of the class for their
of,
class, front of the.
okay, in front of the class.
Last one.
Okay. In welchem Jahr ist Beethoven gestorben?
Sehr schon. Gestorben. So with gestorben, the three phases of human life, we use always sein. Okay. Now, the way everyone is answering to the blanks, I think the topic is pretty much clear to everyone where to use haben, where to use sein. Now, it's just a matter of learning the third form of the verbs, and this is you will be learning from practice only. Here in this particular sheet, there are like sufficient or more than enough words for A1 for you guys to learn. So maybe you can just make a list separately and learn from that on daily basis. Now, as I said already, this particular last exercise will be your homework. Here also it's like a pretty long paragraph. Read it, understand, fill in the blanks, and then learn the third forms also. Okay, now I'm proceeding to learn to do something from the book. Now, first thing, so this chapter number 8 basically minor Wohnung. I am skipping it for now. We will be covering it soon, but as of now in chapter number 9 we have exercises for this particular topic. So let's read some from here. It's stuck again. Okay, so das ist Seite Nummer 28. Now sehen Sie die Bilder an, ansehen. separable verb to see or to view. So see the pictures. Lesen Sie den Chat. Ordnen Sie die Bildern. So we have to read this chat about a person who is explaining what he did throughout the day, and then we'll have to like bifurcate the pictures, like what happened first, then what happened at second, and then what happened at third. So let's read this. So Rajveer, you will be reading the first half, and Saurabh, you will be reading the second half for this particular chat. And then we'll start.
Tina, wie war dein Tag? Then what is NA? Na? Naya
It's like
is
Naya, Naya. It's like another exclamation, expression basically.
So we have to translate it also.
No, no, no. Just tell me just read it. I'll explain what this chat is all about.
Okay, so
Naya.
I will be so it will be like Rajveer will be the Tina and I will be the Daniel.
No, no, no. Just first half till here, till project Rajveer will read, and the next portion you will read. I'm asking you guys to read so that your reading skills improves.
Es war schon 10:30 Uhr in der Juni. Vorlesung, what is this word? Wir
Wirtschaftsrecht.
Strafrecht, B-Straße. Ja, der Tape hat die ganze Zeit geredet, war total langweilig. Ich bin aber geblieben.
Geblieben.
Okay, oh, that is geblieben. Sorry. Das ist habe auch ein Seminar B-Straße gemacht und das Projekt.
Saurabh, your turn.
Das läuft gut. Wir haben die Präsentation geplant. Dann bin ich nach Hause gefahren und ich habe 6 Stunden gelernt. Ich fleißig und dann hast du Pause gemacht, Smiths. Ja, zu Hause war die Kühlschrank,
Kühlschrank.
Kühlschrank, Kühlschrank wieder leer. Also bin ich ins Calcio gegangen und habe ein Pizza gegessen. Hast du jemanden getroffen?
Okay. So, a little bit clear what this conversation is all about. Okay, so I'll explain. There are two people, Tina and Daniel, who are talking. Daniel is explaining how his day happened. So Tina is asking, Wie war dein Tag? How was your day? Then Daniel is saying, Naja, es geht. It was like okay, okay types. Ich war schon 10:30 Uhr. So Rajbir, when we read the time, we say it like 10:30 Uhr, not 10:30 Uhr. 10:30 Uhr an der Uni. So he's saying I was already at 10:30 at the university for Vorlesung. So he has a like lecture to attend. So for that, Vorlesung is basically like kind of a lecture. Then Tina is saying Wirtschaftsrecht by Strasser. Strasser is basically a name of a company. And then Wirtschaftsrecht is like a company laws, basically corporate laws. So she's asking corporate laws by Strasser. Then Daniel is saying, yeah, their trip. Trip is basically like the chap. We Sena, in English, this chap is boring me a lot. So their tip. So that's what this means here. So their tip hat die ganze Zeit geredet. Maybe he's referring to his teacher here. Like here in this picture D, he's in the class and then he's referring this tip to his lecturer who was keep on talking. So the tip hat die ganze Zeit geredet. So the chap was talking all the time. War total langweilig. Langweilig bedeutet anyone? What is the meaning of langweilig? Can anyone tell me?
Long.
Boring.
I didn't
No, that is boring. Langweilig bedeutet boring. So what would be the opposite of langweilig? Tell me the answer in German. Opposite word of langweilig would be interessant. Interessant und langweilig. Interesting and boring. War total langweilig. So he's saying the lecture was totally boring. Ich bin aber geblieben, but I stayed. Like here, you can see the person is trying to stay in the. Then guys, please keep yourself on mute. Then Tina is saying das can ich, that I know. Now here, if you guys must have noticed, so here it's not written kenne ich, it's written kenn ich. So in colloquial German, when we are like communicating informally or in verbally, so people usually communicate, usually they conjugate many verbs in this way. They basically use the stem word. In like A2 books also you will be seeing habe, ich habe das gemacht. It would be written like ich habe das gemacht, only HAB, not HABE. So in going forward, most of the like conversation you will see like this. So don't get confused. Das kann ich, that I know. Ich habe auch ein Seminar bei Strasser gemacht. So Tina is saying, I know that I also have done a seminar with Strasser. Und das Projekt and the project. Now Daniel is saying, das läuft gut. It went well. Wir haben die Präsentation geplant. We have planned a presentation. Dann bin ich nach Hause gefahren. Then I went to the home und dann habe ich 6 Stunden gelernt. And then I learned for 6 hours. Echt fleißig. Now Tina is saying very hardworking. Fleißig, another adjective. Das bedeutet hardworking. So guys, whenever you're like encountering new words, please keep noting them down side by side. Fleißig bedeutet hardworking. Und dann hast du Pause gemacht. Stimmt's? And then you took a break, right? Then Daniel is saying, ja, zu Hause war der Kühlschrank wieder leer. Leer, again, another adjective, which means empty. And then the opposite word of leer is voll. Leer, voll. Leer is empty, and then voll is full. Now Daniel is saying, yes, at house the fridge was again empty. Kühlschrank bedeutet Fridge. Also bin ich ins Calypso gegangen und habe eine Pizza gegessen. So I went to the Calypso and ate at a pizza. Hast du jemand getroffen? Did you visit anybody? Okay, now as we see already, this whole conversation happened in perfect tense because these two people were discussing what exactly happened the same day or a day before. So something which has happened already. So that's how we make sentences when it comes to past tense. Sorry, yeah, something which has happened already, but the implications are still there. Okay, now here there is a quick exercise which you have to do. Just write down the answers. Maybe you can take reference from this chat also. So there are the lot of blanks which you have to fill in. You just write down the answers in your copy and then we'll discuss. Take 5 minutes to do that. Here basically what you have to do, that at what time Daniel did what. So when you will be telling me the answers, there are 4 sentences. Each one of you will be telling me one sentence. I'll ask randomly anyone. So when you will be giving me the answer, it should be like 11 Uhr der Professor hat 14 Uhr Daniel, and then und so weiter. 15 Uhr, etc. etc. So what happened exactly at that particular time? You have to tell me in that way. So take 5 minutes, do this exercise, and then we'll discuss. Gemacht? Gemacht, oder? Should we discuss? Okay, Anji. Rachel, Rajveer, Saurabh? Geschrieben?
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, let's take one more minute and then we'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay. So, Anji, can you please read the first sentence for us?
Okay. 11 11 Uhr, 11
Or
Uhr, der
elf.
Professor hat die ganze Zeit geredet.
So der Professor hat die ganze Zeit geredet. Next, Saurabh, can you read that second sentence for us?
Yeah. 14.
Same.
Wir sehen Uhr Daniel. Daniel presentation meet and review presentation. Daniel Hamid meet
Dan- correct the conjugation. What would be the correct conjugation?
Daniel hat
Yes, Daniel hat mit
hat
anderen
in
Studenten.
the presentation geplant.
Präsentation.
Präsentation geplant.
Right. The next, Rachel, read these two sentences for us.
Senhor, Daniel had
So he came back home. He came back.
Daniel
Is
is nach Hause gekommen.
yes. So Daniel came back home. Then this one also.
Er hat 6 Stunden lang gelernt.
Then he learned for 6 hours. Then this one, last sentence. Rajvi, your turn.
Er hat ins
What is the
Selbstso
time? At what
okay.
time he did that?
22.
Not 20. This is the time. This is not date.
Okay, 22
Uhr.
Uhr. Er hat ins
Calypso.
Calypso gegangen.
Read the sentence again and tell the correct answer for this blank.
Gegangen.
For this blank, first blank. This one.
Hat
Er ist gegangen, na? Er ist ins Calypso gegangen. Und
ge
what did he do once he went to Calypso?
Und habe ein Pizza.
No.
Warum?
Has. Habe ich was gesagt?
Hab.
Hat eine Pizza gegessen.
Hat.
You didn't have to just copy paste the answers. You had to understand the meaning also. Here he was saying that I did that, but here you have to say he did that. So na und hat eine Pizza gegessen. So he went to the Calypso at this time and ate pizza. Verstanden?
Yes.
Okay, so for today I am wrapping up the class here. In case you get time after doing this exercise, this is a mandatory thing. Please don't skip this. If you get time, do that. And if you get more time after doing this, just go to this Netzwerk A1.2 Seite Nummer 29 and try to do this listening exercise 5a. Here you have to match these sentences. Just listen to the conversation. Was hat Daniel for this Studium gemacht? So there is a information about Daniel which he's saying. You have to listen to the conversation and you have to match these two sections. So this is the extra homework you can do as per your schedule. Clear?
Clear.
And please upload the video today.
Okay, sure, I'll do.